YUBANG YB-5Z180 is a high-performance 5-axis CNC engraving machine. Designed for jewelers who demand precision and high-volume production. Fully programmable and easy to operate, it supports up to 2,000 engraving patterns for fast setup and flexible design changes. Equipped with a 5-axis linkage system with a 12-tool magazine. Its self-developed recycling system delivers a 99.9% material recovery rate, maximizing precious metal savings. The 5Z180 enables multi-angle, 3D engraving in a single process. With 0.01 mm ultra-high precision, it handles everything from fine details to complex designs with stability and efficiency. Powerful, precise, and easy to use. The YUBANG YB-5Z180 is the ultimate choice for jewelry manufacturers and retail gold and silver stores.